This is Linda Woolsey at Coastal in Marysville, and today we are going to plant up one of my favorites, which is succulents. First of all, when you're doing succulents, you want to find the right soil. So I've selected a soil that is organic, and it will actually feed the plant for up to 2 months. The second thing you want to do is to choose the right container for what you're growing. I prefer a wood pot because it allows the roots to get air nicely, which is very important. So we're going to put the soil in. I like to get it about halfway full, and then that's when you also want to get some water in there. Don't hesitate to put plenty of water on. So when you get ready to choose plants, you have to decide on where your focus is going to be. Either you're going to have your tallest plant in the center and then choose shorter plants around it, or you can put them in the back and then put your shorter plants in the front. For my pot today, I'm going to focus on having it viewed from primarily the front. So I've got my soil in. I've allowed a little bit of space for watering, so I think I'll put that one there. And when you're taking them out of the pot, you want to have already watered them very well because that's going to help their transition. And you're looking at the amount of roots here. You want to break that up just a little bit. And that's why I like to have them watered. So I'm going to put a little more on there. Succulents is such a variety of leaf patterns. That's why they're so exciting. But I definitely want to have these 2 mint ones on the sides. And then I'll be putting that one in the center. Looks like a pretty good plan. As we take them out of the pots, you want to gently remove them. And again, get them snug in there. I'm going to put some soil around the back of it. They love to grow, the roots love to grow into that fresh new soil. I like to see them close together. By the end of the season, they're going to be really crowded, but that's what makes a pretty arrangement for you. Now just reposition them a bit. Continue putting a little more soil into it. And water well. See that I have this nice little trowel that I could have saved my hands. And I could have used the trowel. I love to use tools. And so I just want to talk a moment about a couple of tools. This is a basic trowel, and it serves lots of purposes. Every gardener has to have a trowel. This is a basic pruning tool for trimming the branches off of smaller plants but larger plants, and those blades will come in different sizes as well. This one is one of my favorite tools. It's called the BAHCO Trimmer, and I love this tool. I love the brand. But what I like about this one is that fine little blade and tip on it so that I can get right down in there and trim those little tiny leaves that I don't want to bump with my fingers. This is Linda Woolsey at Coastal 101, where you've learned about planting succulents today. And you can pick up all of these supplies and more at your local Coastal store. Thanks for coming by.